It was difficult to have a vocation for something that barely existed. I was interested in it. This is why I went to Madrid in order to prepare my doctoral thesis. But I had far more dreams than economic means, and that forced me to devote myself to teaching, to research, to industry. Afterwards, I moved to Preston, where I did a postdoctoral stay. We work on basic chemistry, mainly, and the synthesis of new types of compounds and new kinds of reactions, basically in coordination compounds and metallic organs made of gold, palladium, platinum, rhodium, etc. The fact of being always available to everyone, looking forward to any moment to discuss the issue at work, being interested in advances that are produced, and keeping a team nature, make everyone share the same work, and we'll aim for achieving a scientifically interesting result. Scientific research has two different stages. One of them is the execution of some experiences, studies that lead to some conclusions, and a second phase, as important as the first one, which consists of the transmission of that knowledge. Without that, research has no sense. Someone has to collect all the information that we have got. And how can we do that? By publishing. Transferring the knowledge to students, to doctors, to the guest doctors that come from abroad to join the group. That transference has to be continuous, and eventually it gets to industry, because industry employs our doctors and gets to other research groups. So what we call knowledge transference is a basic fact in the scientific research. We do basic research, which means that we are interested in the deep knowledge of chemical reactions, metal behavior, and substance that take part in chemical processes. Every time that a citizen takes a drug, he takes a chemical product that has been synthesized by a professional who has been able to get that result only thanks to the fact that reactions have been published in scientific literature. And that fact has led him to prepare that product, not another one. And it is the citizen who makes the most of the pharmaceutical industry. But the information provided is generated by basic scientists. Some acknowledgement, together with an economic contribution, is very important. It allows to save the necessary economic means and carries recognition for all the team members, which is fundamental. A person needs to know that what he is doing is worth if others recognize the merit in the work he is undertaking. And this has been almost as important as the economic contribution itself for all the members of this group. Research is a fascinating task. It is like introducing into a virgin forest and making way in order to find something absolutely unexpected, something that nobody has ever discovered, and having the pleasure of letting people know and creating a challenge in order to keep on fighting.